Bree, and I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and all that good stuff. If you hear my kids laughing and screaming because we just got done with Cole's birthday party and they got a bouncy house, please tell me what 2-year-old and 3-year-old have a bouncy house in their house. But I will insert a clip of what they are currently doing downstairs, but let's get into the video. I do want to start off by saying I do apologize that this is so late. I don't know if it's going to be like November 30th or December 1st when I post it. I'm not 100% sure. I do want to say I did get the box in the mail probably about 2 weeks ago, but I've been dealing with the kids being sick. Cole actually fractured his arm, so I've been dealing with that and preparing for Cole's birthday. So I kind of been tied up with things that I haven't really had a chance or a moment to film today's Boxycharm. So let's just get straight into it. It's November. The only thing I will say is that this box is a little smaller than normal. Normally I have a big box, but let's see. This is Boxycharm invite only. This is what the card looks like. This is everything that comes in the box. So let's go ahead and see. I have Hanali matte bronzer. I think that's how you say it. Let's see if I have to go away and open it or if I can just open it right here. Oh, look at that. This is what it looks like. This is the bronzer. This, let's see. This actually, I know y'all can't see it, but this actually might be the bronzer I need for my skin tone, because I don't know if you guys have seen, but I hope you have the other video that I have with a bronzer. It's a little too dark. I have to like sit there and like scrub my face almost when I put it on. So I cannot wait to try this one. The next item is by Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. This is what the packaging looks like. I know I sound stuffy, and I am. I just like had a whole sneeze fest where I just would not stop. So it's a clear with sparkles. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like sparkles in it. So if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for clear. Lip balm, lip gloss, lip oil, whatever it is. Oh, my kids are so loud. I know this room looks a little different. I'm upstairs in my house. I'm thinking about actually turning this into my filming room, but we'll see, because I don't use upstairs because me being me, I'm petrified of upstairs. For what reason, I don't know. But this is Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base in the shade Light. I actually cannot wait for to use this, because the more research I've been doing, and a lot of people say concealer does work for an eyeshadow base, but now that I actually have an eyeshadow base, I cannot wait to try this. Our next item is this Voss Violet Sunset Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, guys, I kind of hope this isn't purple, because purples and blues are just not my color. I say that as I have blue on, but they're really not my colors. I'm more of a neutral. This is more of a neutral palette, but it does have a couple of purples in it. I'm sure, me being me, I can play with it. I know y'all hear Cole, and I'm so sorry. Hopefully that door will close. This is the color Champagne right there. This is, I'll do Violet Sunset, which is a purple. Oh, wow. That is, talk about pigment. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this palette. I don't have enough in this box, I can tell you right now, to do a full face of makeup. But like I always come through and promise, follow me on Instagram and there will be a review on Instagram. I can promise you that. Our last item is this Kate Summersville Skin Health Expert for Sensitive Skin Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. If you guys know me, I'm a sucker for cleanser. I don't normally wear makeup because the job that I have, I'm not going to tell y'all what job I have, but just know that I'm a phlebotomist. Yes, I did that. And I'm going back to school in January to get my medical assistant license. You know, yay. But my job, I have to wear a face mask and then a shield. So 9 out of 10 times I have a bare face and my hair is in a braid. That is normally how I go about this. This is what the bottle looks like, purple. Y'all, I tried to do it twice. Yes, it comes with a protective seal, so I can't smell it, let alone I can't really smell because I have a stuffy nose. But I'm actually looking forward to trying this because the cleanser that I have, it's I forget the name of it. I'm actually about to like run out of it, so this kind of came at the perfect time. So you guys already know what time it is. I'm about to go add up everything and come back with the total. So now that I've tallied everything up, coming in at $37, we have this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Not bad for an eyeshadow palette. Coming in at $40, we have the cleanser. Y'all, this cleanser better work amazing because I spent about $15 on a face cleanser and I call it a day. Normally I use Noxzema, but I've been trying different things. Coming in at $25, we have the bronzer. At $18, we have the lip oil. And at $14.99, we have the eyeshadow base, and that gives you a grand total of $134.99, which is not bad. Like I've said in the past, I only pay $25 a month for this box, so that's not bad at all. But before we sign out with this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to click those links and follow me on Instagram because I do post reviews and like not tutorials, but what's the word? Like I'll put a face of makeup on, like the makeup wipe one that I did, and I'll use the product for you guys to show you guys if it's worth it or not. If you want to go out and buy any of these products, make sure to hit that link in the description box to get to Boxycharm. I'm not affiliated with Boxycharm in any way. I don't get any money. I do get points where I can rack up enough points to get different items that come in like the premium boxes and like the bigger boxes, which I do like a lot. So you guys keep clicking on that link. Also, follow me on TikTok. Yes, like let's get social on TikTok and comment some videos that you guys want to see down below. I do have a huge haul coming from Shein, and yes, I definitely will be ordering off of Shein again. I did order the boys a couple of things, so hopefully they'll be up to getting behind the camera, because one thing about me and my kids, I don't force them to be in front of the camera. If they want to, they want to. If they don't, they don't. So hopefully the day that I decide to film is one of the days they decide to be on camera. So without further ado, guys, I'm out of here. I'm about to go maybe edit this and go to sleep because I am so congested. So peace.